Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a MoYou London stamping plates haul video for you. In 2019, MoYou London had been killing me with their sales. They literally have their $1 and $2 stamping plate sales now, like every month. I am subscribed to their newsletter, so if you guys are interested in purchasing their stamping plates but you're not really sure when they do have these sales, then I would recommend you to be subscribed to the newsletter, and you get an email when these plates become available. Even the $2 plates are still a great deal, and I am just a sucker for MoYou London stamping plates. I remember my days when I was dreaming about being able to buy them, but they were too expensive and you could only get them through their UK website. The good thing is that now if you live in the United States, you can also purchase them through their US website. All of these plates that I will show you today were $1 or $2, plus they have a flat rate shipping of $10. So each plate came to, I think, like $2.30 or something like that, which I think it's an absolutely amazing great deal for these stamping plates, as they are a great quality. I never had any problems with them, and I would highly recommend you to check them out when they are on sale and just try a couple of them because they are really awesome. Long intro to the haul itself, but if you do like haul videos, then don't forget to thumbs this one up for me as well. And I do have more hauls coming up, so if you don't want to miss out on any of those, also make sure that you are subscribed, and I will start posting them little by little. I have accrued a lot in the last 2 months. I just went a little crazy, but today's video is about MoYou London stamping plate, so I will show you some close-ups. If you would like to see any of these plates in a nail art tutorial or a full review on them, leave it for me in the comment section and I will see what I can do. Alright guys, that's it for this long intro. I would like to say a big thank you to all of you who are here today watching my video. I hope you will enjoy it, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.